love you, man.
We love you too.
Oh.
Scientology kidnapped your uncle.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did he get out?
No, keep protesting. You're not safe.
Okay, man. Jesus. She said that Scientology kidnapped her uncle. Jesus. Hey, Pippi! Someone came by and said that Scientology kidnapped their uncle. Do you think she was lying? I know you think we lie. Don't you want to look into it? Scientology kidnapped this lady's uncle. Pippi, you could help her. You can't help her with coffee, though. I'm sure Jeff Quiros would listen to you.
How's it going, Bill?
Oh, Bill!
Yeah.
Bill!
Have you Googled Scientology yet?
Bill, hi!
If you haven't done it yet, flunk for not doing it.
Bill, you lied to us!
The information is on there. Please, Google Scientology, Bill.
Have fun tonight!
Sorry, I've been trying to get a word in edgewise so that everybody just joins in. I really wanted to say, look, man, flunk for